For this question, we are going to make x the subject of the equation. All right, so let's rewrite the equation over here. So I have y equals to square root of 4 plus x. All right, so since I want x to be subject of the equation, generally what I will do is I will rewrite it such that the whole expression that contains x is on the left hand side. Okay, then I get y on the right hand side over here. Okay, for the left hand side expression, you see that there is a square root for the entire term. So in order for me to get rid of the square root, I must do a square. So over on the right hand side also I do a square. So when I have a square root and I have a square, the final power will become 1. Alright, so on the left hand side all I have is 4 plus x. And on the right hand side I have y squared. Alright, and finally x equals to y squared minus 4. Okay, so that is of course the final answer. You may expand or simplify this further, in a sense that you know that 4 is 2 square, so this is y square minus 2 square, which is the same as writing y plus 2 into y minus 2. Okay, so x is equals to y plus 2 y minus 2. Okay, or you could have also written it as y square minus 4. So that is the final answer of making x the subject of the equation. All right, thank you.